I'm now going to carry out a Blender test on my Trashcan Mac just for shits and giggles, and I'm going to be using the same scene test.blend for the test. So I'm quickly going to open the file. And as far as the thread count goes, I'm going to get Blender to auto detect, and it auto detects 8 threads as the machine has 4 cores and it's 2 threads per core. I'm making use of the mini Apple keyboard, which doesn't have an F12 button, so I'm going to hit the render button. Let's see how this goes. Okay, and that scene was rendered in 5 seconds and 44 split seconds. Okay, what I'm going to do now is split the scene up into smaller tiles to see if I can get an improved time. Okay, and let's see how it goes now. Okay, and that rendered in 4 seconds and 98 split seconds. So there is a slight improvement in terms of speed when you split the scene up into smaller tiles. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.